Okay, I have an Aqua Swan. It's a little 14-foot V-bottom boat. Here's the, there's kind of a little quick run through of it. It's a good little boat. It's got a trolling motor. I don't know how many pound thrust this is, but I wired it up and I put a little switch on there, and I have a bilge pump in the back that I added in, and then the front navigation light, right? And here's the trailer. Everything's registered Tennessee through 21. Okay, and it's my boat. So anyway, this works. Trailer lights work. I just wired the trailer lights up. Okay, and then so yeah, here's the new trailer lights, and then it's got a little 10 horsepower Johnson. It's an older motor, but I've done a bunch of work on it. Runs really good, shifts good. So forward, neutral, reverse. I put a switch on it to kill it, which is on the front there. So that's in the run position. I made a little choke thing because it's hard to find the chokes. They're a little lever. It's just a little plastic lever, but it runs good. I did this a couple times. Let's see if I can get it again. I shot this and then I closed everything up. And we're still hard. Yeah, it's a good running little engine. Sorry, I didn't have the valve open on the gas tank. Runs good, man. You sit there and idle. Have to pump up a little pressure now. He's good, he's good, super clean. There's I've got a lot to it. New clothes, condenser, all that. Clean the carb. Sealed it all back up with fuel line. New spark plugs. How's that run? They barely went through. Checked out, so yeah, it just sits there and runs. So anyway, I have that for sale, and just want to get it out of here, so make an offer for it. Make an offer. Give me an offer. But yeah, that's a cool little, I think it's a cool little boat. I don't know, personally. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys later.